Hi, I'm Ray. Today I'm going to grow some bigger peas. So these are bachelor's bigger dried peas, and these are ideal for pea shoots for your salad, especially early in the season. I'm going to grow these on the allotment, and we're going to hopefully get some pea pods, and we can see how these grow. So let me show you what we're going to do. So today we're going to grow some peas, and these are bachelor's bigger dried peas, selected marrow fats, and these come in the supermarket, and this is 90p for 250 grams. So we've got quite a big box full, so we're going to grow some of these for the garden. 90p, we can't go wrong. So peas I'm going to grow in a long root trainer. We picked these up from the garden centre, and they're really good. It allows the peas to grow long roots down in the cells, and they're really good. We just click them together, and it's easy as that. Just going to fill these up with some multi-purpose. There we go. I'm going to give a bit of a spray just to dampen the compost. As these peas have got a hard shell on them, they can be watered overnight, put in a little jar of water and kept overnight, and that will soften up the skin, but soaking the compost will do just as well. And these are just dried peas, and for 90p I'm going to sow 2 seeds, 2 peas per cell, and there we go. We've got absolutely loads in there, so we're going to do 1 tray of these every week, and then we can get a nice successional sowing going on. Compost on the top. This is going to sit in the greenhouse. And there we go. Wonderful job. Quick water. And that's our peas on the go. We're going to do lots of peas this year. We're going to grow them all up our ranch on the allotment. So, there we go. So this is one we've done this Sunday, and this is one we've done the Sunday before, and they're growing quite well. 2 peas per cell, and we can see the roots already coming down. If we open this up, we can see the nice long roots going straight down. So that's really good. You can use a toilet roll, stick them in and bury the whole toilet roll. That would do just as well. So I'm doing these every week, small succession. Once I put one of these into a hole, I put a pea in the bottom of the pea, so then another pea will shoot up once these are already done. So they're ready to go into the allotment. So let me know in the comments, have you grown bigger peas? And what peas have you grown? Let me know. Have you put yours out yet? These are still waiting. Still frosty in the mornings. So we're holding on a bit. Cheers!